Hi folks, Vin Wells here with rockbottomlasers.com. What I'm featuring today is the 2004 Alma Harmony. This is the original Harmony platform that was manufactured by Alma. It's still a very relevant machine. It's in really good condition, good cosmetic and operating condition. It was manufactured in 2004, February of 2004. It does include a single handpiece, a UVB 320 handpiece for pigment restoration, for treating vitiligo or where there's pigment that's been lost on the skin. But you can attach other IPL handpieces from your other Alma Harmony systems onto this machine, and it will accept them for the original. They have to be original Alma handpieces, but they will accept those. And this would be a great backup device for you to have. If you still have your Alma Harmony, you could certainly have this as a backup in case your primary unit goes down. You've got something that you can fall back on. It's a great buy at this price, and it will not last long. And so if you're interested, please give us a call. And thank you so much for watching this video.